Hello everybody.
Hello.
In today's video we're doing a part 2 of Interliminitality. So this will have horror, flashing lights, and
The swearing will be mid.
yeah. We'll try, okay? There will be a bit more when we actually enter the game. So watch out for that, because when we're starting the game, it's gonna show you what it's gonna be. Oh yeah, there's also loud noises. So flashing lights, horror, loud noises, and I think there was something else.
Some swearing.
Yeah, also swearing, but there was also something else in the game.
That scared me. Loud noise? Or did you already say that?
I already said that. CASTL. Flashing lights, jump scares, loud noises, and a lot more. Please proceed with caution when watching, okay?
No caution.
I can't wait
Wow.
for
Where are we?
3, honestly. I cannot wait to record part 3 with you guys, because it is actually really fun, honestly. But this one is more of puzzles and stuff.
Yeah, we hate puzzles.
I don't really like puzzles.
Okay, that's
I
so
guess.
loud
Oh,
music.
well, that's scary. Oh god.
Oh no, the door. It's broken.
Wow, look at your door. Oh, that was the elevator.
Like the elevator.
Yeah.
Elevator.
Why is there a TV?
You get flash banged.
Gets flash banged
Get
without
flash
getting flash
banged.
banged, I guess. Hello there. Oh. Eat the flashlight.
Candy Band-Aid on your nose. People are gonna be like people who don't play Dandy's World, they're gonna be like, why is there a rainbow Band-Aid on your nose?
Oh, hi, Abby.
Not me.
It's not you.
Hey, bitch.
Okay,
Hey.
so the twins are back apparently.
Twin!
Also, guys, if you haven't watched part 1, go watch it, please. That scared me.
I'm hiding behind a wall. They can cut through stuff? That is absurd. That is not cool. Okay, on, off, on, off,
I
on,
see 2
off.
clones.
Two of my twins just killed me.
Oh god, hello there. Hi, it's me. Oh, why'd you jump? Why did it jump? That's not me. That's not me. That's me.
I was like, why are you running from a runner? No. Your twin be chasing me. Your twin jump in. 2 of your twins jumped me.
God.
Run. Fuck you. Run. Yo, haha, fuck you. Oh, sorry.
We're already on the first level.
Save me!
They're both of them turn to you.
Yo, sup, twin? What's up? You're not gonna hurt me, right? Yeah,
Hey, we need
besties.
some more. We need some more, okay?
Besties. Wait, I was right behind her and she doesn't see me. She blind. Oh, 3 out of 5.
3 out of 5. One more. I've been doing all these jumps. No!
Why is this stuff flying upside down? Yo, what's up? Oh my god, 2 of my twins just found me. Stop, twins.
Oh, hi there.
Hi, girl, don't run into them. They're gonna.
Look at you.
They
Look
jump
at
in you. They jump in you, Pookie. They jump in.
Get that damn last thing.
Goodbye. I don't know where D is. B.
Just find it, please. I'm scared.
Is that you?
Okay, I lost them. Hello.
Is that you? Okay, that's you. Stop. Okay, come. Oh, yo, one over here. Hey, we got it. Okay. Man. Wow. 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 Okay, off. On, off, off.
Also, guys, at the end of this
Hey,
episode,
twin. Hey, other twin.
okay, so at
Bye,
the end of
twin.
this episode, we'll have like a little. We're gonna like run from some. Okay, so get ready for that.
Twin, no, I wanted to give you a hug. Yo, I saw my twin transfer into your twin.
I know, it's scary.
Why did
Go downstairs, girl.
I can't find it?
Right, I'm just gonna do it then. So it doesn't take too long because we can't wait. Because this episode is gonna be a little longer than the other one. I'm pretty
Yeah.
sure.
I can't even pause it. Like my hotkeys aren't working, guys. Do you know what's happening?
I'm not
Oh,
really. This video
my
on
chat.
this.
Oh, okay. I was like, what's happening to my
Hello.
Oh my god, my
Well,
hotkeys
who are
aren't
you saying
working.
hello to? Like, jeez.
You're saying hello to yourself? Wow, lonely life, man. Why do I keep accidentally following you?
That's scary.
Stop! Go another way. No. Oh my god. Now it looks like I'm following you on purpose. I'm not. I'm trying to go away.
Well,
Yeah,
we're not alone here because bestie, it's literally just the two of us.
No, you blind bitch. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna twerk, twerk, twerk. Ah! What is that noise? What is that music, man?
The director
It sounds like a funeral happened. Oh my god, who died? Oh no, I'm so sad. Yeah, we're in the mall. But the mall should really fix their everything because there's like no shops here. If I fall, you mean, you dumbass? Oh my god. What do you mean if I fell? Oh no, if you fell. What if I fell? What if you fall, dummy? It's not that hard. It's not that hard.
They said if I fall. It's if I fall.
Like, they clearly said if I fell. I mean, that
yeah,
kind of
but you
makes
can
sense.
say if I fall and if you fell. Oh god.
I fell.
Bestie?
What?
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 It's like
What
right
is
there.
it? Wow, it's an ugly fat bitch.
Oh yeah, it looks like a monkey.
Hi, bitch. Get left behind!
Yeah, big monkey, big tall. Yeah, you're such a big back that you have to crouch down.
You're not even swearing, man.
Grandpa 2.0. Where's your
Why
cane?
am I the only
Where's your
one
cane? Where's your cane? You gonna fall or not? Okay, I'm sorry to the people
I'm
that
the
have a
only
cane.
one swearing in this, man. It's so... Let your anger out, Pookie.
Oh no, I don't like this one because we have to find stupid switches. that are as small as
Whoa!
this.
Whoa! Whoa! Buddy, what you doing? What, bro, doing?
Also, guys, there's also a season 2 in this game, and it's so freaking fun, but it only has like 1 episode on it.
1 episode. So, what is it? What's even the point of this game? What is this? What is this game?
Lore.
About what? What is this?
About being trapped in a TV and then trying to get out, I guess.
Okay, bud. What do you mean go this way? It's all like, go this way. Well, too bad. No. Oh yeah, I found a light switch. I found 2 light switches.
Where my hug at?
What's up, Pook?
Oh no, the clone is chasing me! Eh! Somebody help! Oh no, juke!
Okay, are we done here? Can we go
It would have
now?
said like 3, whatever those marks are. I don't know.
Well, too bad. I'm leaving. Goodbye.
No.
It doesn't work, man. If only
There's
we could
another
just.
one.
If only we could just quit and be like, yo, I don't want to do this level. I'm just gonna skip it.
Yeah, for like 6 Robux.
6.
I keep saying 6, and like I don't know why. I can't stop it, and when I'm like, oh yeah, I've been alive for like 6 seconds, I accidentally say 6 sevens. And also, guys,
Yeah.
Happy New Year!
Oh, I found it.
Oh. Also, guys, Happy New Year! I hope you had a good time watching the fireworks with your family or your friends.
Yes. My
what is
birthday's in 18 more days, y'all.
Yeah. And also, Easter update is soon. No! I hate this next level. Or is it this next, or is
Are
it
you leaving?
Wait, is it the next level or is it the one after this?
I don't know. Also, everybody that is watching, you will see the date down on the bottom.
No! It's the level!
Okay, so you will see it's the first, like it's January 1st, you know, and New Year's was 4 days ago. What?
What the
Spooky? Spooky? My flashlight ain't working!
Anything and I'm scared!
Well, it's the 4th of January, but I will be posting like all my videos that I have done, like on New Year's, all that stuff. So, yeah, I did make the video on the 4th of January. No, I didn't make it on the 22nd of January. That's when I will be posting it. Yo! What's up, bud? What?
I don't know where to go because I can't see anything.
What do we even gotta do? What do we need to find, man?
We need to find the exit. That's just all.
You kidding me? Oh, frick! I went through
I
this
kind
whole
of remember
fucking
where
maze.
it is. Where are you? I want to come with you.
You will find me.
Where?
I'm
Oh,
here.
hi. Wait.
What's
You
up?
were right. Down. It's not over there.
Okay. Oh my god,
Why is
there's
there
like
a whole line of them. There's a whole line of these guys.
more! Look at Run, Pookie. Yo.
Oh.
How? Wasn't even near you, man. What? Was it? red eye. The green light, and it's just like,
How? I hate this. I don't
bro,
like
they
this.
strangled me like I was a pork chop.
Also, guys, if you watched Stranger Things season 5, give me something in the comments that I won't understand until I've watched season 5 because I'm on season 2 and I can't wait for season 3 because it looks so cool.
But sadly, in my video, I don't have comments yet. Yo, I found the exit!
Please, go in it. Just go in it. Just pick an exit. I cannot find it.
Fine.
Dude.
I was just like, you got something in your nose.
Slams, you gotta. Hello there. No, it's the levers. Abby, it's the levers. You go this side. Because I always go this side. So I can't ever stop them.
Okay. You have to hold it. Are you kidding me? This is weird.
There was none on my side, so I had to help you. Hello?
What the hell is music, man?
Jeez.
What the fuck? Switch. That's
Me,
all?
what I want for Christmas is I saw this opening. I don't know. It's at like in what is
Yeah, they really.
What is that? What is that? What is that?
What the fuck? What the fuck?
What was that? What was that? What the hell was that? Oh my god.
Do we need to do this shit again? Okay,
Sorry.
we need to do it again. Fuck. He's swearing like every 5 seconds, but I really need to let my inner demon out.
Yeah, that's okay because she like never swears.
Yeah, because then I always get in trouble. I'm like, yo, stop swearing. And then I'm like, yo, pop of life. When I grow older, I'm gonna be like swearing my fucking head off. But now I can. What is that noise?
6, 7. Of course it started at 66. Are you kidding me?
67. Like it was like ain't no what. There was a monster literally at the door. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Look credit.
Okay, which one is this? No! No! I don't want to do this!
No, I can't.
No, we're not
Just go
doing
on
it
your
again.
side.
We're doing the freaking ugly clay thing.
Oh yeah.
The clay.
Oh, I hate this one.
Hey guys, say hi to my best friend, Tina. It's adorable.
What?
Say hi to my best friend, Tina.
Hey, Tina. What's up, Pookie? Yeah, I'm saying far.
That thing is angry.
Bro just wanted me to devour that fucking thing.
I'm like
Bro
horrified.
wanted me to get devoured. Like, girl, are you kidding me? Girl, why is it whenever I go near it, it's like, hey bitch, get over here.
I know. Abby, we're keeping the swearing to a mid, okay?
Okay.
Hold on.
I don't know.
Wait, whenever the lights flash, does that mean it's like going on a killing spree?
What do you think? These only? Well, that means I should go in there. Oh, frick.
I'm scared. Thanks for covering for me every
God,
time you
that
die.
Like,
Thanks
I
for
almost
dying,
shitted myself.
Thanks for dying so I can survive.
Bro, that nearly made me shit myself. Like,
Oh my god, shit.
thanks, me. Get my chair, because I'm standing up right now. Like, literally, I'm not lying. I'm standing up. Let me just... Okay. Wait, you know that noise, bro?
Tina! Tina is here! Say hi
She's
to
slapping
Tina!
your butt.
Tina, it's not my birthday party, it's yours. Okay?
Happy birthday, dear Lucas. Get attacked by Tina.
Stop. Can you like cover for me? What is this? Match items.
I'm hiding. Bro slapping. Bro slapping.
We need to match the items, but where are the items?
Vase?
Oh god, that's scary.
Comment for me next.
Tina! Stop murdering people or you're gonna get in trouble. Your mom said to stop.
Coming.
Tina went right past me! She went right past me!
God. Okay, so what is this?
Just hide here. Tina.
Bitch!
Tina.
Bitch. That's not Tina.
That's Bina. That's Bean.
Bean. Sorry
That's
for the
Selena.
swearing.
Watch out for Selena.
Sorry for the swearing, y'all. Just try it, because it is so fun to let your anger out and just let it out.
Like, what the flip, dude?
She came up behind my ass cheeks and literally... Oh my god.
Did she at least clap them? Why can I not open these lockers? What are we supposed to do?
Did she come up behind your ass cheeks too?
No! She literally like kissed me with her ugly eyeball.
I'm gonna shit myself. I don't want to play anymore.
What are we supposed to do? How do we open these?
I don't want to play anymore. Oh my god.
I remember one time I was playing this level and Tina came up like right next to me and said, Tina.
She's tracking me down. She's tracking me down. I'm gonna track her down, and I'm gonna shove her out that TV. I'm gonna throw her like a maniac.
Tina, no!
Tina, no! I wanna try distracting her. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, do it.
Hey.
Do it.
Hey, Tina. Tina, go. Tina, go. Tina, go. Nah, she's so fast.
I don't think that works best.
She's like Twisted Babette. She gets faster when you're still in eyesight with her. That's not cool, man. Stop.
I see her like run past me every time. I'm distracting her. I died like 2 seconds, like 2 milliseconds after.
No.
Oh,
Yo.
God.
She's right behind the corner, isn't she?
Wait, what
I
does
feel
this mean?
she's.
What?
Oh, she's coming to slap my ass, man. Yo, I found a hiding spot.
What does it mean? Oh my god. Oh my
She
god.
is coming for you next, buddy. No.
Tina, come get me, Tina.
Tina McBeana. You little peanut.
Tina Bina. What's this?
Tina be a nice
Wait,
Bina.
we can open the lockers.
She's coming for me. She's gonna come to me. No, she freaking damn.
Oh god, I'm honestly gonna like shit myself.
How much times have we been revived from the gods? The gods are reviving us so many times because of this slap assing.
Wait, you gotta hold E until you hear a click for the lockers.
Yeah, that's how it works, buddy.
I forgot. Oh, hey girl. Christy? Thank you.
I'm screaming a bit too loud that the neighbors can hear me. And last time they came to my house and then.
Oh god, Abby, I'm scared. I'm hiding in the worst spot ever.
Good girl. I am so scared that I don't want to move. Like I don't want to.
Okay. I don't know where this girl is, but she better not be like at least like 2 inches near me.
Stop, Teen.
I got a diary. I got Tina's diary.
You what?
I got Tina's dairy. Dairy Queen.
No, girl, we are not going back to that. We are not giving me flashbacks. Damn, who's she slapping now?
Oh, she was about to slap.
Like, you hear her sound, right? You hear her. Who is she slapping now? Like,
I'm scared. God, I should have hid there.
I'm a cute little tween.
Please give me a clap.
Excuse me? What? What do you mean?
For the locker, you dumb ass.
I know, but like... Yo, Tina, where you at?
Yeah, I'm gonna rip this to shreds.
Okay, I'm gonna stand still. I bet she's gonna freeze. Fuck you, bitch.
Okay, looks like she didn't.
Wait, what if I just stand right on top of her when she's like, when the lights are not?
Tina!
Oh my god! No, wait, I need to stand like right in her spot, and then I'm gonna see if I could just survive. I'm on top of her! Okay, that was expected, man. Okay, that was expected.
Goodbye, Tina.
What if I just stand like...
No, she's right there. She's right there.
Teen! What's wrong? You need a hug? No!
Hug it.
That was terrifying.
Place?
I did not
Place?
like that, man.
Place. We need a vase. We need a
Wait,
vase.
I need to go BRB real quick. Like, BRB, so...
My hands hurt now. Okay. Okay, so we survived Tina, and I screamed a lot, so now I need water. No, it's the last level, guys. It's so we're gonna run from this guy named Director. Stop. Get out of my way, chat. Get out of my way, chat. Chat, what should I do, chat? Chat.
No,
Wait. I'll tell you what the channel is. I'll tell you what the channel is, or you can just look at my screen. I'm traumatized because of Tina now. I think like someone's gonna come after me. It's what is that?
Done.
Let's go. Okay, this is where we run from him. But like we need to walk a bit. Sorry.
I can't see.
Tina, is he here? I think he's here. Where are you? Come here.
Don't give me like traumatized.
Why are you acting like you ran out of stamina? You can't do that in this game. Please, I'm like horrified right now. Like my heart is racing. No, it's over here.
No, wait, I'm the monster now.
No, nice.
Well,
Please
I'm
don't kill me.
spectating.
I'm scared.
I'm spectating too. We'll see. Oh, he's